Hi friends, if you are tired of the same old Christmas decor, let's transform your home into a magical winter wonderland without breaking the bank. Welcome to today's video. We're going to dive into some unique and budget-friendly Christmas decoration ideas. We'll explore creative ways to spruce up your home, from stunning centerpieces to eye-catching outdoor displays. So, let's get started. First, nature's free gifts. Harness the beauty of nature to create stunning decorations. Forage for pine cones, branches, and berries to craft elegant centerpieces and wreaths. Add a touch of sparkle with gold or silver spray paint. 2. DIY ornament magic. Get crafty and create personalized ornaments. Use salt dough, wooden slices, or even old CDs to make unique decorations. Let your imagination run wild and add glitter, paint, or ribbon to personalize your creations. 3. Festive lighting on a budget. Illuminate your home with warm, inviting lights. String fairy lights around your windows, doors, and staircase. Use battery-operated lights for flexibility and safety. 4. Tabletop transformations. Create a magical tablescape with simple, affordable elements. Use a plain tablecloth as a canvas and add festive touches like candles, pine cones, and colorful ornaments. 5. Outdoor winter wonderland. Transform your outdoor space into a winter wonderland. Hang icicle lights from your eaves. Wrap your trees with twinkling lights. And create a cozy outdoor seating area with blankets and pillows. But wait, there's more. Let's elevate these ideas with a twist. We can add a personal touch to our decorations by incorporating family heirlooms, photos, or handmade items. This will create a warm and nostalgic atmosphere. Remember, the key to budget-friendly Christmas decor is creativity and resourcefulness. By repurposing everyday items and using natural materials, you can create a stunning and festive atmosphere without spending a fortune. So, let your imagination soar and have fun decorating your home this holiday season. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.